The resultant of A vector and B vector is perpendicular to A vector. What is the angle between A vector and B vector? Here we are discussing about two vectors, that is A vector and B vector, and given condition is resultant of A vector and B vector. Resultant means A vector plus B vector. Suppose it can be represented with the help of R vector. So R vector is perpendicular to A vector. So we have known a condition: if vectors are perpendicular, then their dot product will be 0. Then their dot product will be 0. So we will use this condition in our question. So here we have given resultant of A vector and B vector, which is represented by R vector here, is perpendicular to A vector. Means R vector is perpendicular to A vector. Then we can write R vector dot A vector will be equal to 0. Here R vector can be represented with A vector plus B vector dot A vector. Now we will open this bracket, then we will get A vector dot A vector plus B vector dot A vector equal to 0. And here we will use properties of dot product, where self dot product will produce a result equal to square of its own magnitude. Means if we make a dot product of A vector, that is A vector dot A vector, its result will be square of its magnitude, that is A square. And B dot A can be written as BA cos theta, and given condition is equal to 0. So on solving this one, we will get cos theta is equal to minus of A over B, or theta can be written as cos inverse of minus A by B. So theta is the angle between A vector and B vector, which was asked in the question. Therefore answer of this question is cos inverse in bracket minus A by B. Thank you.